Welcome to our manufacturing facility. Here we produce the body parts of our products, designed and molded with precision and care. We start with high quality virgin raw material molded through advanced injection molding machines to create strong and accurate parts. Alongside molding, we also manage PCB manufacturing and assembly, ensuring every electronic component meets our standards. For branding, we use laser engraving machines to imprint clean and permanent logos, and we use ultrasonic welding machines to join plastic parts for a clean and durable finish. From raw materials to the final product, everything happens in-house, giving us complete control over quality, consistency, and timely delivery. Our goal is simple: to deliver high quality and durable products our client can trust.